Sedition laws are actually outdated. Nationalism as a concept is also outdated. So most civilized legal jurisdictions like United Kingdom and US now no longer have sedition on their statute book. But sedition continues to be an offense in India, and it's clearly a colonial era which has outlived its utility. And under court pressure, the government seems to have come around to the view that it should also re-examine the issue. The government was so far unwilling, and this law has been misused in recent years. There are some 13,000 people in jails in connection with 800 cases slapped throughout the country. So anything that you criticize the government, ruling government with also, you get slapped with sedition. Like recently in Maharashtra, some people wanted to, chant the Hanuman Chalisa and they were slapped with sedition. Now that is the ridiculous levels to which the law is misused in this country. As a result, many had gone to court. And the court wanted to hear this. As soon as the court wanted to hear it and it was determined to go ahead with or without the government input on the issue, the government realized that the court was serious and there was a rethink in government quarters on the issue. Now the government has promised to review this law, and in the interim, nothing will be done. No coercive action will be done under this law. If any fresh FIRs are filed, the nearest court will deal with it as per the parameters laid down by the Supreme Court, which is not to allow any further proceedings in the case. So they will all be in abeyance till the government takes a call on whether the law needs to stay in the statute book or it needs to bring in a law in Parliament to repeal it. There will be no fresh FIRs, there will be no probe, there will be no trial, there will be no appeals will be heard. All of them will be basically in cold storage till the government takes a call on what to do next. The government could bring in a law to repeal or amend the law, or it could leave it to the court to take a call on this. And that the government has to decide. Till then, nothing is going to happen in any sedition case, future or present. Present, all the cases will be on hold. Future, no fresh FIRs can be registered without permission of a high-level police officer, and that also not beyond the rank of an SP, superintendent of police, that is. Now, if an SP gives the go-ahead and a fresh FIR is registered, then people can go to the nearest court, which is expected to keep it in cold storage, like the Supreme Court has said. Chief Justice was very clear that any bail applications in sedition cases will be decided as quickly as possible by the nearest court, or whichever court the person accused has gone to. There are instances in the law, and where earlier UAPA case, when the law was repealed, there is a sunshine clause in which the court, the authorities allow for the old cases to be closed. Whichever case has been filed earlier will be closed. And a similar provision could be made in the new law, or it could be left to the court to close all these cases.